When someone double punch your both hand from top and go down, and you can blocking the punch. Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today we're going to teach you 24 movement Yang style Taijiquán with self-defense. 1 movement a day. Follow me now. Taiji for self-defense. Opening move can be a self-defense movement. When someone double punch your both hand from top and go down, and you can blocking the punch.
So people do a double punch or a single punch. Your both hand from down go up and blocking. So make sure your head right between. Then you twist your both hand from top, and you power from your shoulder and go to your hand and just push down, and you can attack with that. Right? This is opening move for self-defense. And we go to the next move called 野马分鬃.
And someone punch straight to you.
Self-defense of the first move, 野马分鬃. So when someone punches you, so the first movement you got to go to the side way. So you lean your shoulder this way, and your hand, just like the move how we do, your right hand is to blocking and actually grabbing the same time. So again, so you go punch, so you go right, so block and grabbing, and this is 抱球, is the ball and your right hand under. And so once the people actually punch more harder, so you got more chance to close to the person. 3 ounce move 1000 pounds. So you punch harder this time, right? So the more power go this way, and your left hand under and straight like this way, and you really close to there. So the power is, you push some person out. Actually, it's twisting. So actually, you make circle. Like his balances go this way, and you twist your waist. So once you twist and you jam a much more power, and you push the person out. The same thing for the other side.
3 things you have to remember: jing, yuan, shun. Jing is calm and quiet. It's your movement with your hand. Just relax and calm down to make self peaceful. And the second thing is yuan. Yuan means a circle. So everything about Taiji is a circle around. You take a bow, it's a circle. Your arm go open, is circle around. Your right hand circle around. Your stance is circle around, and your body as well. 含胸拔背. So your chest yin and your back go up. So everything is curved like Taiji. Another one is a shun, smooth. So your speed should be the same speed between each move. You can't to do fast and slow, fast and slow. This is another style. Chen style will be different. For Yang style, Every move you do, the same speed between each move. Your toe on the floor, transfer your whole weight. Shoulder relax, go up, opening move, and go down. To make a ball, your right side. And stack, heel, and your toe, and 野马分鬃, left side. And turn your toe, come back, to make a ball, left side. And cross the energy, you go right side, 野马分鬃. Great work.
So, okay, my friend. So, keep practice and remember the three things for Taiji: jing, yuan, shun. Jing is calm down and quiet. Yuan is a circle around, like Taiji. And shun is smooth. Always have the same speed when you practice to improve your Hao-Ji. For self-defense, that's all for today. And thank you very much to following me. I will see you in next video.
For Taiji steps, lift your leg and toe points. Transfer your energy from toe to the heel. And lift your toe and twist. And transfer to a stance, bow stance. Try your knee not past this point. That can hurt your knee. So always the same line for your foot and your knee. Go down. Perfect. Transfer other side. Heel. Twist this way. Transfer your weight. Heel up, toe, and stack. Heel down. Transfer your energy to your toe. The same line, your feet to your knee. Thank you very much.